Benefits of aloe vera and source. Benefits: improves digestion, boosts immunity, inhibits cancerous growth, heals side effects of radiotherapy, skin care, hair care, reduces arthritis pain, relieves joint and muscle pain, heals wounds, cures menstrual problems, alleviates nausea. Nature Republic Soothing and Moisture Aloe Vera Review. Description: all skin type. Moisturizer. Skin firming and moisturizing effects. Soothing and moisturizing effects. Makes the skin healthy. This soothing gel contains 92% aloe vera extract, which moisturizes the skin quickly without leaving a sticky feeling behind. The vitamins from the aloe vera extract, such as vitamin E, C and other minerals, keep the skin moisturized and protect the skin from UV rays. The fresh aloe vera ingredient absorbs quickly into the skin without leaving any sticky residue behind. Suggested use: apply an appropriate amount to dry, sensitive parts of the face and body often for the best results. Other ingredients: aloe barbadensis leaf extract 92%, alcohol, glyceryl polyacrylate, dipropylene glycol, butylene glycol, glycerin, propylene glycol 1,2-hexanedyl polygutamic acid, betaine, sodium hyaluronate, calendula officinalis flower extract, mentha viridis, spearmint extract, melissa officinalis extract, carbomer, PEG 60 hydrogenated castor oil, trethanolamine, phenoxyethanol, water, parfum, disodium ita. Warnings: for external use only. Avoid contact with eyes. Discontinue use if signs of irritation or rashes appear. Keep out of the reach of children. Replace the can after use. Customer reviews. For discount and more reviews, click link in description.